Hi friends, in today's lecture we will study how to make this sectional panel in AutoCAD. So if you study this drawing you'll come to know that this is virtually one side is a mirror of the other side except for this small bulge over here. So when you want to approach such a drawing, the technique which you have to use is you have to draw these center lines and begin from the center points and go on constructing one side and then gradually mirror it to the other side. So let us begin this drawing. I'll pan this drawing a bit to the left and then I'll begin from here. So I'll first draw two center lines. First I'll begin with this line over here. So somewhere randomly I'm drawing a line of random length like this and hitting enter, and then I'm drawing one another intersecting line of random length and hitting over here end. Now I'm putting one point at the center of this and then I'm erasing this line, hit end. Now if you see, this entire distance is 42, so this means this side is 21 and this side is also 21. So let's say we begin with the line command. We give from here and we proceed on the left side and we say 21, hit enter, and again we select line from here 21 and hit enter. Now just for confirmation we'll do the dimensioning. So from here to here you can see it's perfectly 42. So here it is 42 and here also you can see it's 42. Now this distance if you see is 19. So we'll come here, we'll select line from here to here it is 90, hit enter. Again we go here, it is 42, we hit enter and we close with this and hit enter. So we drew this line 19, we drew this line 42 and back to this line of 90. Now let us identify how much is this distance. So here you can see this entire distance is 62 and this is 42. So 62 minus 42, it is 20. So this side is 10 units and this side is 10 units. Let us just double check it with the dimensioning. So you can see this side is 10 units and this side is also 10 units. So we proceed from year to year 10 units and year to year also 10 units. So I select line from year to year 10 units, hit enter. Again line, click here and we give 10 units and hit enter. So we have finished drawing this rectangle and we have finished up to here and we have finished this 10 units and this 10 units. Now here we have to proceed with a line of 19 units and then I'll show you what we are going to do next. So I'll type 9, I'll click here and I'll type 19 and hit enter and just put a point over here and let's do dimensioning just for check and let's do dimensioning just for check. So this much part is also done. So this is 10, this is 9. Now over here you can see there's one rectangle of 50 by 50 and it has filleted edges of 3 radius. So we'll draw one rectangle from here to here. So let me show you how we'll begin it. So we'll select line, we'll select from here and we'll give the distance as 25. Here we'll select 50. Here we'll select 50. Again 50 and again over here. Next we'll use the fillet command of Autocad. So here you have the fillet command. In fillet we'll give the radius. We'll give the radius as 3 units. Then we'll click on the first line and the second line. Again fillet, we click on the first line and the second line. Again fillet, first line and the second. Again fillet, first line and the second. So this inner rectangle is also ready with 4 filleted edges of R3. Okay. Now from here we want to draw one line of 56 units. So L for line, we draw one line from here on the top of 56 units. Parallelly, just do the dimensioning, 56 units. After that, we want to go inside on the right 9 units. So I type 9. From here, I type 9 units and hit enter. Then I want to go on the top 38 units. So line 38 units and hit enter. Then this distance you can see is 27. This distance is 27, not 36.5. From here to here it is 36. But right now we are over here. So here to here the distance is 27. So I select line from here to here 27 and hit enter. Then this distance is 9.31. So 9 and then 9.31 and hit enter. Now we will draw one line from here to here of 36.5 units. So we select line from here 36.5 units and hit it. Then we want to extend that line till the end of this rectangle. So we'll select line from end of this to perpendicular to this rectangle. Hit enter. So our this side is ready. Now we'll create a mirror on the opposite side. So I will use the mirror command of AutoCAD. It is asking us select the objects to mirror. So I want to mirror this. 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 And I want to mirror this. After this, I'll hit enter. Select the first point of mirror line. This is here. And second point is here. Erase source objects. No. So I'll hit enter. And the mirrored surface is ready. Now coming to these two circles. In fact, it is three circles. One, two, and the three circles. So if you see that circle extends from the mid of this rectangle. So we'll draw one line from the midpoint of this rectangle of a random length and hit enter. Now over here we have got something at the bottom. You see over here this is 10 and this is 27. So this distance is actually 37 units. So we'll draw a line from end of this and extending to 37 units. Hit enter. We'll erase this point. We'll draw one line from mid of this like this of random length. Hit enter. And we'll draw one line from end of this random length. Hit enter. Then we put a point in the center of this. Now in a circle 25 diameter, so circle, and we have to select center diameter. Diameter is 25 units. Again circle, center diameter. Diameter is 50 units and hit enter. So now it's correct. You can see there is some gap here. There's some gap here. Now we have to draw this line. So we'll draw one line from end of this and tangential to this circle and hit enter. Now the outer circle, if you see the diameter is 62 units. So again circle, center diameter, select this, and diameter is 62 units. So the outer circle is also ready. Now you can see this distance is 13 units. So line, we click here and we type 13 and hit enter. And then we draw one line from end of this and tangential to the circle and hit enter. Now we ought to break the outer circle. Before breaking the outer circle, we have to finish with this line also over here. So we'll select one line from end of this and tangential to this circle. Now this much part of the circle we do not need, so we'll break that part by typing break. Select the circle. We give the first point as intersection of this and second point we give over here. So our objects are ready. And now we can proceed with the last line. So there's one line which joins from center to center over here. So one line from end of this to end of this. Now we have to use the hatch command. So we type hatch and hit enter. We have to select the type of hatch you want and then come into the area where you want the hatch should come. Before that, let's see on the right side. So we need the hatch over here. So this is correct. This is correct. This is correct. Hit enter. So now you can see that the hatch is perfect. So we click over here and then we press the escape key. So our drawing is done. Let's do the dimensioning just to check. So we'll start with this dimensioning of 9 units. So we select linear dimensioning from here to here, 9 units. That is correct. This is 38 units. So again, linear dimensioning from here to here. You can see it's 38 units. So that is also correct. Let's take it little bit on the outer side. So linear dimensioning from here to here. Again linear dimensioning from here to here. It's 9.31, 9.31, then 27 units. So again linear dimensioning from here to here. So you can see this is 27 units. That is correct. And then from here to here it is 36.5. So again linear from here to here it is 36.5. Then this distance is 25. So again linear from here to here is 25. And again from here to here it is 36.5. So that's correct. Then we want to check the dimension of this outer circle. So we select diameter and the diameter you can see is 62, which is correct. Then again diameter for this is 50, that is also correct. And then diameter for inner is 25 and that is also correct. Next, this is 13. So again select linear dimensioning from here to here it is 13, that's also correct. Then this distance is 10 units. So again from here to here it is 10 units. So that is also correct. And finally this distance is 27. So again linear, you can say from here to here and that's also 27. Finally distance from here to here it should be 50. So again linear dimensioning from midpoint of this to midpoint of this and that is also 50. That's correct. And finally the filleted radius of units for 4 ends. So again we go into dimension and select radius, and we just check the radius. We can see it is also 3, which is correct. And finally, this distance is 21 units. So again, we select linear dimensioning. So our sectional drawing is complete. So friends, hope you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries, don't forget to write in the comment section, and rest assured I will get back. We'll see you again in the next lecture. Till that time, goodbye.